Let's see how to draw a curved line graph in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to insert a graph that shows a curved line. Now what we can do, first off, is by drawing our graph. And we can do that by clicking on the Insert tab. Now click on Shapes, and let's make the outline of our graph. And as you can see, that will serve as our graph outline. Let's make it a bit thicker. Click on Shape Outline, and let's change the weight to 3. Now let's put in some lines. And let's copy those lines and evenly space them out. And last one. Now let's label those lines. Click on Text box under the Insert tab. Let's say this one right here, the line on the left, will represent the amount of cookies sold. So let's go ahead and type in cookies sold. Let's center our text and let's remove the outline. Let's also remove the shape fill and let's rotate it 90 degrees. Now let's place it at the side here. Now the next one, let's say, is we want to see over how many cookies you were able to sell over several weeks. Now let's input here at the bottom is weeks. Now to create our curved line, what we can do is click on Shapes and click on Curved right here. And to create your curved line, simply first is your starting point, and your next click will be your anchor point to where the curve will start. Let's say that it starts right here, and it goes down on week 2, and goes up again on week 3, and goes up a little bit for week 4, and maintains that for week 5, and then finally goes down for week 6. Now to end your graph, simply double click, and as you can see, we now have a curved line graph in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.